lady, I'm your nice and shining armor, and I love you. You have made what I am yours, my love. There's so many ways I want to say I love you. Let me hold you in my arms forevermore. You have gone and leave me as a fool. I'm so lost in your love. Oh, we belong together. What you believe in my soul. For so many years I thought I'd never find you. You have come into my life and made me warm. Forever, let me wait to see you each and every morning. Let me hear you whisper so clear in my